Wondering if risk management systems actually work? What if we told you stock market investments come with inherent risks? Be it internal risks like change in management, product instability, etc., or external risks like industry-specific factors, pandemic, or war. Every adverse market condition leads to investor losses. These losses multiply if we see the opportunity losses incurred by an investor due to liquidity crunch in the market at the same time. Jarvis risk management system guides its investors to invest in the right basket of investments which overcome both systematic and unsystematic risks while giving optimum risk-adjusted returns. Risk management system at Jarvis is dedicated to provide 1. Profit booking alerts when stocks reach their maximum potential and it's time to exit. 2. Stock exit alerts when stocks are expected to become volatile or prices are about to drop and it's time to exit. 3. Rebalance alerts, which gives asset allocation advice after identifying scripts with higher potential returns than an investor's existing portfolio. Powered by its robust risk management system, Jarvis acts as an all-weather friend that guides its investor in his path to wealth creation. Happy investing!
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.